On the ETA website, in addition to a wide range of products, you can also find all the matching accessories. You can search for them in two ways: directly in the product section, under the product category you're interested in. For example, wall-mounted enclosures, and then access the related accessories. Let's take a look at the main ones. Alternatively, you can enter a keyword, such as mounting plate, and you'll see the complementary accessories, or the plate itself, along with its reference category. You can also search using the product code in the search bar. Thank you from ETA.